Hello, my friends, I'm Mr. Trong. Today we're going to explore the pasta mix. Super spicy. Make sure when you're done it tastes good. You're not losing to the chefs at the restaurant near your house. Let's proceed now. Let's cut this spoonful first. I want to remove this part of the leaves. A tree this big, I'll cut it up. When I cut it, I put it in a separate place. Then I cut the onions and I'll be up later. This is lard and cut the pomegranate seeds. When we cut it, we also set it aside. A little bit will win the fat. Now I have a fever. Take 2 tablespoons of tart oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a spoonful of chili sauce, a little SA red vinegar 20g, a spoonful of sesame oil and a spoonful of chicken seasoning, a spoonful of monosodium glutamate, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of peanut butter. Then let's mix it up and melt it out and add some water. Little. I'll cook it up and save it for later. Put the pepper in a hot pan. Roast with a small fire, my friend. It takes about 2 minutes. And now I bring out the mill and I grind it out. We won the fat and made our garlic mine and mixed the noodles. It is delicious, AJ. When I boil fat, I put a little bit of sugar in here to make it crispy. Boil the fat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove the fat. Then you give me some salt. Just a little salt and let the fat win. When it will not jerk by itself for water. Then, after the fat, it has the phenomenon of water tightening. Right, it lets the greasy water flow out slowly. I'll wait until it's a little yellow. It just came yellow. Turn off the fire and soak in it. Let it cool about 30 minutes later. Now I eat meat and we use it. 300 grams minced meat, 1 seasoning powder, 1 spoonful of monosodium glutamate, a spoonful of sugar, some salt, a spoonful of oyster oil, 2 OG cabbage salt and mix it well. Then some sesame oil. Then I'll use this meat in a while. Then I stir fry it. And now we're starting the fire again. Let it heat the opening. Take out the fat and leave it there. And then this greasy water, put garlic in the pan. Then you win. I had to turn off the fire and not let it burn for long. And when it's golden, I'll take it out. Let me stir fry some fat with minced meat, add some garlic. And then sauteed minced meat. Put a little water in here. Then it's done, take it out. Let's cook the sauce again. To spend this time in more or less because you eat spicy raw out. Then cook a small fire. The sauce is smooth like this. Take the sauce and mix it up. Let the water boil and put some salt, then some sugar, and some cooking oil. Let the water boil. When I boil it, it is green. And soak it right in the water. It's cold, I picked it up. Now let's boil the egg and put it in some vinegar. You see it rolling like this, right? You adjust the fire low enough for this tin and break the egg. Then we put the eggs in the water. We use the lid to stretch for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then open the lid and remove the egg. This is a method of boiling peach heart eggs without shells. Now, the preparation is also very important, guys. The water was boiling and I let it in. Get that wand. And put it right in cold water. This is a thermal shock method. The noodles are hotted blooms to meet the water. Cold water, it will shrink, it creates more brittleness. Then pour it back into hot water. When you're ready to take the first stitch, you have to put the fat in. You prepare in advance. Give me about a tablespoon like this. I made or squeezed a bowl today. And now I'm going to put the fever in here. I'll give you about a spoonful of 1 serving. That's about 20 seconds. Let the pasta stick to the sauce. Then bring out the plate. And then the cabbage to eat. Then we put the pork up. If you eat, I'll give you 2 eggs. Sprinkle a little more onions. So you finish your meal. Let's set it up and give it to friends to try. Don't forget to like me too and share video. Let's show it to everyone. Remember to comment and subscribe to your channel. You can always see more delicious food. Hello and see you at the next meal.